Equivalent ratios. So we are going to see how to find equivalent ratios. Okay. So we have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay. So 6:4. Okay. Look at this example, 6:4. Okay. I will tell you how to find equivalent ratio for 6:4. Okay. So we have to multiply or divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Equivalent fraction we will do now. We will multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number to find equivalent fraction. Same thing here. Okay. So 6:4. How can we write them in fraction? It is 6 divided by 4. Yes or no? Okay. So in order to find equivalent ratio, okay, we can multiply or divide. First I will show you by multiplying. Okay. So you have to multiply. When you are multiplying the numerator by 2, the denominator also we have to multiply by 2. Okay. Now 6 2s are is 12 divided by 4 2s are 8. Okay. So the equivalent ratio is 12:8. Okay. So either you can multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number, or you can divide the numerator. So we have 6:4. No? So 6/4. You can divide also the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Okay. So divided by 2 and divided by 2. Okay. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Divided by 4 divided by 2. So it is 2. Okay. So we can say 12/8 and 3/2 are, okay. So 12/8 is nothing but 12:8. Yes or no? Now 3/2 is 3:2. Okay. So 12:8 and 3:2 both are equivalent ratios of 6:4. Clear, children? This is the way we will find equivalent ratios. Okay. Now coming to exercise fifth problem. Okay. So fifth problem is based on equivalent ratios. Okay. Let's move into that sum. Question number 5. Okay. So 15/18 is equal to, you can see blank spaces there. Yes, we have to find the numbers in that blank spaces. Okay. And we have to also say that after finding the numbers, we have to say whether they are equivalent ratios. Clear? Okay. Now first one. First this box we have to find. Okay. So 15 divided by 18. Okay. So 15 divided by 18 is equal to, denominator is 6 here. Okay. So 18 and 6. Okay. So 6 is less than 18. Okay. So equivalent ratio means we know we have to either multiply or divide the numerator and denominator. Okay. Now 18 and 6. So what should we do? We have to multiply or divide? We have to divide. Okay. So 18 divided by 3. Okay. So 3 table, 3 6 are is 18. Yes or no? So 18 divided by 3 will be equal to 6. Okay. So denominator I am dividing by 3. Okay. To get 6. So numerator also I have to divide by 3. Okay. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay. Now we have 5 in this box. Clear, children? Now we have to find the number here. Okay. So now 5/6 is equal to 10 by what? Okay. So now I am taking 5/6 is equal to 10 by the number we have to find. Okay. So 5 into what is 10? We have to multiply a number with 5 to get 10. Okay. So 5 into 2 is 10. So denominator also I have to multiply by 2. Okay. So 6 2s are is 12. Clear, children? So the number in this blank is 12. Okay. Now next one more number we have to find. Okay. Now 12 we have and 30 we have. Okay. So we can't multiply something with this 12 to get 30. So any numbers you can take. So this 5/6 also we can take. Okay. Because everything is represented by an equal to sign. So any of the numbers you can take. Okay. Now 5 divided by 6. No. Okay. So 5 divided by 6. And you have 30 in the denominator. Okay. Now 6 into what is 30? 6 into 5 is 30. Yes. Now, so numerator also we have to multiply by 5. Okay, so 5 5s are, we have 25. Okay children, so here your value is 25. Clear? Now, are these equivalent ratios? Yes or no? Are they equivalent ratios? Yes. Okay. Why it is yes? Because whether you are dividing the numerator and the denominator or multiplying the numerator and denominator, you are multiplying and dividing with the same number. Yes or no? So they are equivalent ratios. Okay. So your answer, are these equivalent ratios? Yes, they are equivalent ratios. Clear children? Did you notice one thing in this question? Okay, whatever numbers you take, that is 15 by 18 or 10 by 12 or 25 by 30. Okay, when you are making them to simplest form, 15 by 18 also you will get your answer as 5 by 6. 10 by 12 also it is 5 by 6. 25 by 30 it is also 5 by 6. Okay, so each it is equal to 5 by 6. Clear children? So they are equivalent ratios. Sixth question, find the ratio of. Okay, so you can see 4 questions given. We have to find the ratio. Okay, so 81 to 108. First we have to write them in the form of fraction. So how can we write? We can write it as 81 divided by 108. Okay, now we have to make them to simplest form. Okay, so which table can I take? Which table can is 81 and 108 divisible? Which table can I take? 3 table? Yes. Okay, so now I am taking 3 table. Okay, so cut 81. Okay, 3 table you don't have 8, but you have 6. Yes or no? 3 2s are 6. Okay, and the remainder is 2. So that 2 will be carried over here. Okay, now you have a 2 here and a 1 here. So this number is 21. Okay, so 3 into what is 21? 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, so 3 7s are 21. Okay, either you can directly cancel like this or you can take 3 table. Okay, so 81 divided by 3. When you divide 81 by 3, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so reminder to bring down this one. 3 7s are 21 and 0. Okay, so 27 you are getting. Clear? Now 108. So we have taken 3 table, no? Okay, so 3 3s are is 9. So the remainder is 1. So 1 will be carried over to this number. Now you have 18. Okay, so 3 6 are is 18. Clear children? So 27 by 36. Again you have to see in which table you can cancel them. Okay, so again can I cancel in 3 table 27 and 36? Okay, so 3 9s are is 27. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now 9 divided by 12. Again 3 table I can take. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 3 divided by 4, I can write it in ratio as 3 ratio 4. Clear? Now next one, 98 to 63. So 98 divided by 63. Okay, so which table can we cancel? This two, 98 and 63. Which table can we take? Can we take 2 table? No, because you have 8 here and you have a odd number here. So you can't take 2 and all. Okay, 3 also we can't take. Can we take 7 table? Okay, so 7 table when I take 7 1s are is 7. So what is remaining? 2 is remaining. So this number is 28. Okay, so 7 into 4 is 28. Okay, here 7 into 9 is 63. 7 into 9. Okay, so you have 9 now. 14 and 9. So 14 and 9 can't be cancelled in any table. So the ratio is 14 ratio 9. Clear? Next one, 33 kilometer to 121 kilometer. Okay, so kilometer and kilometer both are in same unit. Okay, so we can write it in fraction as 33 divided by 121. Okay, now I have to make them to simplest form. Okay, so 33 and 121, I can take 11 table. Okay, so 11 threes are is 33 and 121. 11 ones are is 11. 1 is remaining, so that 1 will be carry over here. So now this number is 11. So again 11 ones are, it is 11. So 3 divided by 11. Okay, ratio of that is 3:11. Clear. Now next one. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So both are in minutes, same unit. Okay, so 30 divided by 45. Okay, so 5 table I can cancel them. 5 6 are 30, 5 9s are 45. Now 6 and 9, 3 table. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so we can write it as 2:3. Clear.